Let's talk about Aster DEX, a platform that could change how you manage your money. In a world where digital assets are becoming more mainstream, understanding how to trade and store your crypto safely is more important than ever. That's where Aster DEX comes in, offering a fresh approach to crypto trading that puts you in control. Aster DEX is a decentralized crypto exchange focused on simplicity and low fees. It's designed for anyone who wants to buy, sell, or swap digital currencies without the hassle and high costs of traditional platforms. Whether you're a casual investor or a seasoned trader, Aster DEX aims to make your experience smooth and affordable. Unlike traditional exchanges, you always control your funds. No middleman, no waiting for approvals. Your assets stay in your own wallet, and every transaction is processed directly on the blockchain, giving you full transparency and peace of mind. Think of it as keeping your cash in your own wallet, not the bank's vault. You don't have to trust a third party with your money, and you can access your funds whenever you want, from anywhere in the world. Security and efficiency are at its core, making trading cheaper and safer. With advanced encryption and decentralized protocols, your assets are protected from hacks and platform failures. Plus, transactions are lightning fast, so you never miss an opportunity. You just connect your crypto wallet and start trading in minutes. There's no need to create complicated accounts or submit endless paperwork. It's as easy as linking your wallet and choosing the tokens you want to trade. Aster DEX is open, transparent, and accessible to everyone. No matter your background or experience level, you can join the platform and participate in the global crypto economy. All transactions are visible on the blockchain, so you always know what's happening. It's a great entry point for beginners, but also powerful enough for experienced traders. The intuitive interface makes it easy to learn, while advanced features give pros the tools they need to maximize their strategies. Here's the kicker. Aster DEX is launching with a massive airdrop, free crypto tokens for early users. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor and be rewarded just for exploring the platform. An airdrop means you can earn Aster tokens just by trying out the platform. These tokens could grow in value as the platform expands, giving you even more incentive to get started early. We'll show you how to get in on this opportunity. Our step-by-step guides and tutorials will walk you through everything you need to know, from connecting your wallet to claiming your airdrop rewards. So, you can trade securely, save on fees, and potentially earn free tokens. It's a win-win for anyone looking to take control of their financial future and explore the world of decentralized finance. This is the next evolution of crypto trading, putting power and rewards back in your hands. Imagine a world where you're not limited by banks or borders, and your money truly belongs to you. No lengthy forms, no gatekeepers, just you and your wallet. The freedom to trade, invest, and earn is finally here, and it's available to everyone. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in and discover how Aster DEX can help you unlock the full potential of your crypto journey. Before we jump in, let's clarify what a decentralized exchange, or DEX, really is. A DEX is a platform that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users without the need for a central authority or intermediary. Centralized exchanges like Coinbase hold your funds and act as the middleman. They control your assets and require you to trust them with your money. A DEX flips that model. No single company controls it. Instead, it operates on a peer-to-peer network, allowing users to trade directly with one another. Instead, smart contracts on the blockchain handle trades automatically. These smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. You trade directly from your wallet, keeping full control of your assets. This means you don't have to deposit your funds into an exchange, reducing the risk of hacks and theft. Most DEX, including Aster, use automated market makers, AMMs, and liquidity pools instead of order books. AMMs use mathematical formulas to price assets, ensuring liquidity at all times. You swap tokens with a pool, not another person, and prices are set by a formula. This system allows for continuous trading without the need for a counterparty. anyone can provide liquidity and earn fees or trade 24/7 without permission. This opens up opportunities for passive income and constant market access. It's transparent, open, and non-custodial. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, providing full transparency and security. You trust the code, not a company. The open-source nature of DEX means anyone can audit the code and ensure its integrity. This is the foundation of Aster DEX. It's built on principles of decentralization, transparency, and user control. It's a more democratic way to trade. Users have a say in the governance and future direction of the platform. Let's see how you can get started. Follow along as we guide you through the initial steps to begin trading on Aster DEX. Here's how to start using Aster DEX, a decentralized exchange that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly from your wallet. No signups or passwords are needed. Your crypto wallet is your account. This means you have full control over your funds. Step 1. Get a wallet like MetaMask, a browser extension that holds your crypto and connects to decentralized applications, or dApps. Set it up by following the on-screen instructions, write down your recovery phrase, and keep it safe. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access. Fund your wallet with the blockchain's native token for gas fees and the tokens you want to trade. This step is essential for making transactions on the network. You can buy crypto on a centralized exchange and transfer it to your wallet. Make sure to double-check the transfer details to avoid any mistakes. Next, go to the official Aster DEX website. Always double-check the URL to ensure you're on the correct site and avoid phishing scams. Click Connect Wallet or Launch App, approve the connection in MetaMask, and you're in. This step links your wallet to the Aster DEX platform. Your wallet address appears on the site showing your balances. You can now see all your assets directly on the Aster DEX interface. You're now ready to trade. No forms, no waiting. The decentralized nature of Aster DEX ensures quick and secure transactions. Let's make your first swap. Select the tokens you want to trade, confirm the details, and complete the transaction. Welcome to the world of decentralized finance. Connecting your wallet is the most crucial step. When you click Connect Wallet, MetaMask asks for permission to view your public address and balances, not to spend your funds. After approval, your wallet is linked to Aster DEX, but your assets stay in your control. When you trade or add liquidity, MetaMask pops up again for transaction approval. You review the details and confirm. Only you can authorize spending. This two-step process keeps your funds safe. Always check which sites you connect to and review every transaction. Your wallet is your fortress. Aster DEX is just the interface. Ready to trade? Here's how to swap tokens on Aster DEX. On the interface, select the token you want to swap and the one you want to receive. Enter the amount and the platform shows how much you'll get, including price impact and fees. Review the details, then click Swap. MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the transaction and show the gas fee. Double-check everything, then approve. The transaction is sent to the blockchain. Wait a few seconds or minutes. Once complete, your wallet balance updates automatically. You've just made your first decentralized trade. It's fast, secure, and you're always in control. No middlemen, no delays. Welcome to DeFi. Let's talk about saving on fees. Let's break down the fees on Aster DEX. First, there's the network gas fee, paid to blockchain validators, not Aster DEX. Second, there's a trading fee, usually around 0.3% per trade. Most of this fee goes to liquidity providers, not a corporation. A small part funds the platform's development. Want to save? Hold Aster tokens in your wallet for tiered fee discounts. The more Aster you hold, the bigger your discount. This rewards loyal users and active traders. Before trading heavily, calculate if holding Aster saves you money. For active users, the savings can add up fast. Always look for ways to reduce your costs. Now let's talk about getting free crypto. Here's how to get in on the Aster Airdrop. free tokens for early users. Airdrops reward active users and help build the community. To qualify, use Aster DEX. Connect your wallet, make swaps, and try different features. The more you interact, the better your chances. Don't just do one tiny trade. Be active and genuine. Some airdrops also reward higher trading volume. Engage with Aster DEX on social media and join their community channels. Participate in testnet programs if available. Early, active, and helpful users are most likely to get airdropped. It's a rare chance to earn free tokens just for participating. Let's maximize your experience. Ready for some pro tips? Watch gas fees. Trade during off-peak hours to save money. Use a gas tracker to find the best times. Manage slippage. Set your tolerance between 0.5% and 1% for most trades. Consider becoming a liquidity provider. Deposit token pairs to earn a share of trading fees. Research impermanent loss before providing liquidity. Always double-check token contract addresses to avoid scams. Use trusted sources like CoinGecko for official addresses. Stay safe and vigilant. These tips help you trade smarter and safer. The more you know, the more you save. Let's wrap up. That's your beginner's guide to Aster DEX. We covered what a DEX is, how to get started, and how to save on fees. Aster DEX puts you in control. Trade securely, pay less, and earn rewards. Set up your wallet, connect, and start swapping. Hold Aster tokens for discounts and watch for the airdrop. The world of finance is changing. Now's your chance to be part of it. Start small, experiment, and learn by doing. Follow the steps, stay safe, and enjoy exploring DeFi. Your journey starts with one click. Take control of your financial future with Aster DEX. Thanks for watching.